clarify, this is just an impromptu job I decided I'd do real quick. Walking up in through here, and just past those bushes there, I come across a fence right where I decide I want to go up. So now I got to find a new path. So that's what I'm doing, looking for a new way up. So yeah, I sped up the speed a little bit, so that's why it looks kind of funny. But we're trying to shorten our videos and maybe get them within that 10-minute thing here. On a few of them, something like this. This was a very impromptu one, so it's okay. It's not that long a video anyway. But basically the job is to get up there and cut a path in this power line here. And I start to go up the hill here, and I realize that, about halfway up, I'm not going to make this, even with the Ventrac. The biggest problem being is that, a little later on in the video, you'll see, as you go up, the hill kind of slants slightly to the right, so it's not just straight up and down. So I kept sliding to the right. No matter how hard I tried to keep it up to the left, it just kept sliding. So if I'm struggling with the Ventrac, any person walking up here or any machine it's just not gonna be at all effective. So I decided to go around another way and just make a trail right through the woods and to get up to the top there. So you guys will see that soon. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. We just hit 1,000, so that's exciting. That finally happened. So yeah. This here, I just want to clarify, this was an impromptu trail that wasn't really designed to be anything more than just a way for me to get up to those power lines. So I didn't take the time to cut a lot of this back. I asked the landowner if it'd be fine, and they were cool with it, just so I could explain that I could get this done for them. They then later on asked if I could come back and actually make it into a real trail because they liked the location and where it was going. So I do come back eventually. I didn't record that, and I get my little saws out, and we start cutting things back and making it so that you can drive an ATV through here, or UTV. So yeah, eventually we get to there, but in this video I'm just basically pushing my way through to get it so that I can get up there. That's my only goal right here. And I didn't bring any chainsaws or anything. I was just supposed to be mowing here, and yeah, it turned into, well, I have to get off the tractor here and move some trees out of the way. If I had my chainsaw, it would have been a hell of a lot easier, but just got to use my muscles.